Hello guys, it's your guy Pascal. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a Payoneer account which you can use to withdraw money from your Favor platform, freelancer platform, or ClickBank, or any other related platforms. Understand? And I will be dropping a link to create that account in the description section or the comment section. I'll pin it in the comment section so you can check it out there. And once you click on that link, you'll be given and if you create with the link I'm giving you have a $25 bonus. And once you start using the account, they'll give you a $25 bonus. And also I'll plead with you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. And also turn on the notification icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can be the first to capture the opportunity there. And you are a lucky guy because this is just my first video I'm creating in this channel. This is my first video, so you are lucky to be among those who watched it. And as long as you follow these videos, the sky is your limit. Understand? So I'll show you my screen now. So let's get started. So this is Payoneer website. You can see it. You follow the link I gave you. Click on it. This is where it's going to bring you. Understand? To bring you to this page. Then here you select what actually you do. Are you just an individual, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, or individual freelancer? So in this case, I'll be choosing freelancer. Understand? And you are looking to get paid by publishers, network, and platforms. So choose that for those who are doing ClickBank also. So once I click here, register, the next place is going to bring me to is there, this area. Understand? This area. Okay, it will bring me to this area. Okay, now now that I'm going to be creating it for you, let me just say because I already have my own. Let me just say Kelechi Kevin. Put on email address, blah blah blah. You know what I'm saying? Your name, Kelechi Kevin at gmail.com. Kelechi Kevin at gmail.com. You understand? You put your date of birth here. Okay, let's just say 1983. Okay. Okay. So remember the individual. Click on it. You see, it will bring us to the next place where it tell you to select your okay. Okay, your zip code. I use 41211 and it has been going since. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Understand? So yeah, once you click on it, they're going to send you verification code. You get my point. So the next one will be your security details, your kind of passport, and this is almost done here. The next step, that's how you go is complete this area. Then they will send you a mail, which of course you check your mails. They send you a mail to confirm. Understand? Click on the mail and confirm. Okay, let me go to my. Let me show you what it look like. I'm just going to type Payoneer. Very much. I don't know if I got okay. It's double E. Okay, Payoneer recovery, Payoneer withdrawal. And you can see I made withdrawal from it. Payoneer can now receive from micro workers and a sample. Another password hasn't changed. You understand? So they will send you a mail telling you when actually the thing is now okay. Then you can easily now go to come to this Payoneer. Okay, and let's get the login page. I have some cashew nuts. You can join me if you wish. Yeah, this is one of the African delicacies. Okay. Woo! Like I made mistake in password. Okay. So I'm logged into my account now. This is what that will look like. Okay. Let's see. So you can see it. So my dear, click on the link, subscribe to my channel. You click on the link below to open a Payoneer account in this $25 bonus. And also, if you haven't been to Africa, when you come to Africa, try this cashew nut. It's very, very delicious. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.